is lesson number 4 from our beginning sign language class. In this video, you will see the signs for colors. Okay, first we have yellow, blue, green, and purple. Shake them side to side. B for blue, Y for yellow, G for green, and P for purple. Yellow, blue, and purple, and green. Yes, yes. Okay, next we have 3 colors right here. What are they? Orange, like you're squeezing an orange and all the juice is going into your mouth. Orange, orange. Red for red lips. Pink for pink lips. Make sure it's your middle finger that's brushing down your lips. Pink, pink lips. Okay, good. Now we have black, one finger. Black for black eyebrows and G for gray eyebrows. Then we have brown for brown skin and tan for tan skin. A B and a T for brown and tan. And last we have white. White. Open your hand on your chest, bring it away and close your fingers to your thumb. Do it 2 times and fast. White. White. Okay, what am I asking you? Okay, tell me in comments. See you in lesson number 5.